Hello, and welcome to the 24th Fall Psychiatric Symposium. We are so excited to bring you guys our new virtual event bag, which is what you're looking at right now. We have some really amazing, generous sponsors this year who are giving away a ton of spectacular prizes. And I can't wait to show you how easy it is for you to enter to win. It's so easy, even Ben can do it. Ben said I could say that, I promise. So now, just a few simple steps. I'm going to show you exactly how you enter the bag. And once you've signed in once, you are automatically signed in again the next time you visit the website. And here I'm going to just put in, my name's Amanda Engler, so I'm going to put in my email address, if I can type. And then you have to agree to all of the things so that way you can get logged in. We are not selling your information, it is protected. And once you get signed in, you are here within the amazing virtual event bag. As you can see, we are giving away a $200 gift card, a Yeti cooler, a $200 Amazon gift card. There's a big screen TV. The list just goes on and on, you guys. So I'm going to show you once you're logged in and you come back to the site, you can come back to the site as many times as you want. And in fact, we encourage you to keep coming back and seeing all the amazing giveaways that our sponsors are doing. If you're interested in the prize, you click view details. And you can see here, they tell you a little bit about the prize and what they're doing. So if you're interested in becoming a part of their team, they have opportunities for that. To enter the prize, you have to press enter. And then see, it saved your email and your name, and then you type in your phone number, full address, and if you're interested in applying and you accept the terms and conditions, and once you do that, you can press submit and be entered to win. It's that easy, and you can continue to go through the different prizes pretty effortlessly as well through just pressing the next arrow and see what they all have to offer. They've got some amazing stuff. So show them some love, win some good prizes, and we hope you enjoy your conference.